before it gets too dark, we're going to change the cabin air filter on this 2019 Jetta 1.4 liter turbo. Unlike the last year's model, you don't have to go all the way underneath the car just to get to the cabin filter. It's in the glove box. These two tabs, you just kind of push up on them. You have to push them at the same time. Now we have access to the back of the glove box. That's the cabin filter. Instead of trying to dig underneath and lay on your back to try to get to it, it's right here. Toyota's been doing this for generations. Thank you, finally. So in order to get this off, there are these like 3 tabs here. So you just kind of like pull down on this one, and then that one, and then that one, and then it just comes right out. Now before you touch this, oh no, it's so bad. 35,000 miles, that's probably the original cabin filter. Anyway, just looking at this, there's an arrow. I know it's hard to see, but the arrow's pointing down. Make sure you put the new one back in with this arrow facing the same way. I can't stress this enough. If you live somewhere where there's smog, dirty air, in a city, or bad air control issues, you should change this pretty frequently. I would definitely do it once a year, sometimes twice a year. You shouldn't let it get this bad. Good to go. Make sure the arrow's pointing in the right direction. Then just take this guy, and remember how we popped it out? You gotta kind of put it backwards. So you're gonna want to slip these into here, make sure those are good, and then it just kind of pops back in. 1, 2. Oh, that one went in. All right, good.